Mint Mobile Home Internet is marketed as an affordable home internet service that supposedly offers simple pricing and an alternative to traditional cable and fiber providers. But the real question is, can it actually rival the big internet providers, or is it better suited as a budget option? Now, to be fair, wireless home internet has improved dramatically in recent years. Services that use cellular networks can now deliver speeds that are perfectly adequate for many households. What it does well: affordable pricing. This is one of Mint's biggest advantages. It aims to offer home internet at a lower cost than many traditional providers. Simple setup. Unlike cable or fiber installations, wireless home internet often requires little more than plugging in a gateway device. Where the hype falls apart, it won't beat fiber internet. This is the biggest issue. Fiber providers still offer the best combination of speed, consistency, and low latency. Performance depends on cellular coverage. Your experience can vary dramatically based on signal strength and local network congestion. Speeds may fluctuate throughout the day. Unlike dedicated wired connections, wireless networks can slow down during peak usage periods. So, can Mint Mobile Home Internet rival the big providers? Short answer: it can compete on price and convenience, but it generally cannot match the performance of top-tier fiber providers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.